All right, what's up, 38 gang, man? It's your boy Slushy Student 38. Welcome back to the channel, man. I know y'all seen our title and thumbnail. It's a day we all been waiting for. It's been like, what, 8 weeks going on, so 7 to 8 weeks going on. But yeah, man, let's dig into this video. I'm excited. I know y'all seen that title and thumbnail. Like I said before, if y'all new to the channel, like, comment, share, subscribe, man. Welcome to the channel, y'all. We about to go pick up my car. Y'all about to get this big reveal, man. We about to pull out, see what this RT looking like. But yeah, stay tuned for the video, man. Watch the whole video, y'all. Smash that like button. Yeah, y'all, watch the intro, yeah. Thanks for watching. Oh, shit. I know, I seen the pictures, I was like, damn. I was like,
You thought that was a game dog?
that bitch came out.
Y'all been waiting on that motherfucker, huh?
Hell yeah, it came out though. Damn. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee.
Yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead, I know you're happy.
Yeah, I like it a lot, yeah. Hell yeah. Definitely.
Remember when you pipe it down, just remember when you pipe it down, you have to pipe both tailpipes down.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Damn.
Oh.
Damn. Came out so clean though.
Clean it, word for it.
Oh yeah, you did it. Oh shit. Oh shit. Bet. Good looking. Good. Thank you. Sheesh.
Now you happy?
Yeah, definitely.
Are you ready to roll out in it?
Yeah, definitely been waiting. Woo.
He's lost for words right now.
Yeah.
He can't say nothing.
Just trying to
All
get.
he keeps saying is woo.
Just trying to look at this motherfucker for real.
Huh?
I'm just trying to take a good look.
Sublime green.
Sublime. Sublime.
Open the doors.
Oh, god damn. That back look really good though. That back look really good. Oh, damn, I miss you. Oh yeah, damn, I forgot all about these. Shit. They had glue these on?
They have them, you have to order new ones.
Okay. Yeah, I did. I probably I was thinking about doing some of my own customized. Dang, man. Jeez. What's that one TikTok in? Jeez. I'm gonna open the trunk one time.
You can't stop saying woo.
Hey.
Happy ain't the word for it right now.
Hell yeah. This
The
bitch
boss,
clean.
the boss said glad you're happy.
Tell the boss.
He said it's beyond happy. What are you trying to say? I swear you would think he's had a baby.
Hell yeah. This bitch clean, man. Damn.
The best part of my job right now, our job is
Yeah.
that smile on your face.
Yeah, so we got Kustom Kolors, Cleveland, Ohio. Which y'all gotta let me know what y'all think about the car and everything. Let me know, leave some comments, Slushy. Leave Slushy 38 or 38 gang in the comments down below. That bitch came out fire. This the man, one of the good gentlemen that helped me out. I ain't gonna discuss the price or nothing like that. That y'all gotta come to him for that. But yeah, y'all gotta let me know what y'all think about this boy. I'm gonna get some a cold start or something when we get out of here. And yeah, stay tuned for the rest of the video, y'all. I'm way happier I would know going somewhere else it would have never came out. That's 1,000 right here. Yeah.
Now, you can take that shine up more on that car too, just so you know. We go a little extra on clear. So we put more clear on it than with factory. Factory only puts 2 coats of clear on a car. 4 coats of clear on it. Because once you wet set and buff them, they bring that final glass out, that final shine.
See, okay.
to the dealership.
Okay.
Our shit's fucking $500 a fucking gallon. So that clear is phenomenal.
I see. I'm hopefully in the future coming back and everything, bringing some more cars, and try to get some more people to come up here with their cars too. So.
I told you, bro, they've been stalking me on Facebook. Your YouTube fans are stalking me. They said, hey, what color you paint your car? What's your charge for a paint job? How much is this? What's that? Bro, I'm not gonna tell you.
I can't tell them. Yeah, they had to wait for that.
They're asking me like, I can't tell you what color you paint the car.
Yeah, people.
I can't tell somebody.
That's why I was coming up here so much. My people calling me, texting me all on Instagram, like, where your car at, man? What's your Instagram again?
Kustom Kolors Paint, right? Yeah.
Yeah. So y'all follow him on Kustom Kolors Paint on his Instagram and everything.
Then, he's on Facebook too.
It's on Facebook too, y'all. So I'm gonna leave a link on there. So y'all. All right, y'all. Here go a cold start because I did get a remote cold start done. All right, y'all. Oh! Gee! Oh, that slimy thing. Got that slimy thing. Get that slimy. You getting my audio? Hey, all the gang. Gee! We slimy gang. Y'all smash the like button. What up, y'all, man? I hope y'all enjoy me revealing my car. Look at this color one more time. We outside, actually. I wanted to make sure y'all got a look at it outside. But yeah, I'm gonna get it wet sanded and stuff in like another month. Let it cure a little bit more. He said wait 30 days and then he'll wet sand it. Then it's gonna be shining more. So y'all gotta stay tuned for all that. It's gonna be a lot coming for this car, guys. As y'all seen, I had rims and stuff. So I'll leave links and stuff for that for y'all can see what rims and stuff I picked out. We not finished, but this green is hitting, y'all. So leave some comments, let me know what y'all think about this, man. Leave some comments, let me know if y'all what ideas I should bring to this car. And yeah, man, let me know, man. But stay tuned for the next videos I got, y'all. Stay tuned for all these next car videos I got. And yeah, it's your boy Slushy Student 38. I'm hella excited for this. It came out dumb crazy, y'all. I'm gonna give y'all a remote cold start one more time, because right before I got it in the shop, I got a remote start put on it, so that was an addition. So let's walk to the back and do that. I got a code and intake put on so far and a remote start. That's it, and then the paint job. And also I got rims, so. Yeah, y'all. We gotta come up with some names. Oh, Sheesh! Sheesh! That boy flames. Even with those orange calibers still on there, and these the rims that it came with stock, that boy still flames. Dang. And then, oh yeah, I did add this gas cap too, y'all. It was chrome gas cap, but I did add that. So yeah, y'all. That was one more thing I did add. I forgot about that. But yeah, I can't wait to start modding this boy up. Stay tuned for the videos, y'all. It's your boy Slushy Student 38, man. Smash that like button, y'all. Get these videos recommended, man. Check out the outfit one time. And yeah, y'all. Peace. Stay tuned for the next video.